Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the following issue. So when you try to jailbreak your iPhone, it gets stuck on the Jailbreak logo. It's like when you jailbreak and you just leave the process in the half, or you just exit the tool or disconnect the cable, then this happens. So I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So first of all, you have to try all three keys. Keep holding the three keys on your iPhone until it restarts, but if it doesn't, so don't worry, I have another solution for it. So guys, as you can see, this method is not working, so I'm going to show you another method to fix the issue. So guys, you just have to wait until your phone's battery get dead, and then you can just simply restart your phone. So as you can see, I've just waited for 15 minutes until my phone's battery died, and now let's try to start our phone. So I've just connected the charging cable with my phone, and it will just be started soon. So guys, now you can see the Apple logo on my phone, and the jailbreak error is fixed. If you're facing the same issue and you can't wait, so you have to just disconnect the battery from phone, but for that you have to open your phone. So I'll suggest you to wait for few minutes until your phone's battery get died. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.